In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate follow-up emails in Close.com. If you want Close.com to automatically send follow-up emails when a prospect doesn't reply, one of the best ways to do it is by using workflows, which are available on supported plans. This is a great option if you want to stay consistent with outreach without having to manually remember every follow-up. To get started, log into your Close.com account. Once you're inside the platform, head over to Workflows. This is where you can build automated actions for your leads or contacts and streamline your sales process. Next, click on New Workflow, and then choose Start from Scratch. This gives you full control over how the automation is built, which is helpful when you want to create a simple but effective follow-up sequence. For this example, select leads as the trigger object. You can also create a similar process using contacts, but in this walkthrough, we're using leads. After that, click Add Step to begin building the workflow. Now, choose Email. This step allows Close.com to automatically send an email as part of your workflow. It's useful for setting up both your first outreach message and any follow-ups that come after it. From there, select the Email for New Leads template. This will be your initial email, so make sure it's the one you want new leads to receive first. Once that's in place, add another step. Again, select Email for the next action. This second email will serve as your follow-up, but before it goes out, you'll want to add a delay. Set the delay to 2 days. The delay feature controls how long Close.com waits before sending the next email, which helps your outreach feel more natural and prevents messages from being sent too close together. After adding the delay, select your follow-up email template. This is the message that will go out after the 2-day wait. Using a separate follow-up template is helpful because it lets you tailor the tone and content specifically for prospects who didn't respond to the first email. Once everything looks right, click Done, then click Activate. At this point, Close.com will ask you to type in a workflow name. Choose a clear name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple automations. Finally, click Activate again to turn the workflow on, and that's it. You've created an automated follow-up email workflow in Close.com by setting up an initial email, adding a second email step, applying a 2-day delay, choosing your follow-up template, and activating the workflow. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.